Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me for this yet another earring tutorial. I have a great passion for making earrings and it is so joyful to share it with all of you. So today I am going to show you how to make this sweet and simple crochet earring. Just a basic knowledge of crochet is enough to create this beauty. I'll be using this silk thread, 10 mm beads and ear wires to create this earring. This is a 1.75 mm crochet hook. We will also require a smaller size hook which can go through the hole in this bead, like so. But if the bead has a larger hole, then we don't require any extra hook. But my bead has a small hole, so I will be using a smaller hook just to pull the thread through the bead. So let's get started. Now with the working hook, which is a 1.75 mm, we will start with a slip knot, like so. Now we have a slip knot on the hook, chain 1. Pull up the loop, grab a bead and put it on the hook like this. Now insert the hook into this loop and pull it through the hole, like so. Okay? This is the only job of this small hook, that's all. Now I will continue with the 1.75 mm hook. Pull the loop back like this and now chain 1. The bead is locked. Now chain 1 to bring up the work and then chain 5. After we have locked the bead, we will make a total of 6 chains. In case you are using a small bead, decrease the number of chains accordingly. I have already made 1 chain and I will make 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have made a total of 6 chains after locking the bead. Now insert the hook into the chain just after the slip knot over here. Yarn over, pull through and pull through. We have made a slip stitch. Now make 5 more chains for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we need to join to the other side. Insert your hook into the chain made just after the chain with the bead. Insert your hook like this into the one chain, pull through and pull through. So 5 chains on this side and 5 chains on the other side. Now to start the new row, we are going to chain 1. Now hold this chain and this thread together, and we are going to work on both of these so that it is hidden in the work and then the thread won't show. So hold them together, insert your hook through both. Like, just pull it a little bit and make a single crochet. Now chain 3, insert your hook into this stitch like this, into the single crochet we have made, yarn over and pull through and pull through. We have made a picot. On this side we are going to make 6 single crochets and 6 picots in between each single crochet, which means we have 6 single crochets and 6 picots on one side. We have made 2 single crochets and 2 picots. Continue till you have 6 single crochets and 6 picots, and then we are going to work on the other side. So now we have 6 single crochets and 6 picots on this side, 6 picots, and now we will continue doing the same on the other side as well. We start with a single crochet and then 1 picot. On this side also we are going to make 6 single crochets and 6 picots. So all around we have 12 single crochets and 12 picots. So continue with this and I will see you at the end of this row. So here we have completed this flower. We are almost at the end. Insert your hook into the first single crochet over here and complete the row with a slip stitch like so. So now we have completed the first flower and we need to make the second flower. For that, chain 1 and pull up the loop. Now grab the bead and the smaller hook like so, and now you need to pull this loop through the bead. Now again we will continue with the 1.75 mm. We have locked the bead with one chain and chain 1 to bring up the work, and now make 5 chains. Make a slip stitch into the chain 1 that we had made just after the flower. Make a slip stitch. Make 5 more chains. Turn your work around and join this to the other side of the bead over here into the one chain that we had made to bring up the work. Make a slip stitch, and now we have 5 chains on both sides, a total of 10 chains. Chain 1 to bring up the work. Now hold the thread and the chain together and make a flower just like the previous one. Start with a single crochet with both the threads, the chain and the thread. Single crochet and chain 3 for the picot. So go ahead, make 12 single crochets and 12 picot all around the bead, and I will see you at the end of this row. So once you have completed the first side, continue making 6 single crochets and 6 picots on the other side also. We have completed 12 single crochets and 12 picot, and now it is time to complete the row with a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through and pull through. Our second flower is complete. Now make 5 chains. And insert your hook into the same stitch and make a slip stitch. This is the loop for our ear wire. Draw up a loop and now cut it off. Now pull the tail tight and pull it backwards. Our element for the earring is ready. Now we need to deal with these tails. Just pull them through a few stitches. I'm going to use some glue to seal the tails. I find this method very effective. There is no risk of opening up in this way. And now once it is dry, it will become absolutely invisible. Keep it for some time and let it dry. And now I'm going to show you how to attach the ear wire. Insert your crochet hook into this loop of 5 chains which we had made at the end. You need to put the loop through the entire chain and not just one thread. It should go just through the chain, and that will keep it more sturdy. If you put it through a single thread, then the thread gets pulled and the shape of the earring will not be that good. Now insert the hook through the chain and twist it back into its place. The ear wire is attached and our beautiful, sweet and simple earring is ready. So we have made an earring of 2 flowers. If you want a longer earring, you can go ahead and add more flowers to make a longer earring, and you can add even more flowers to make a beautiful bracelet out of it. I think this is a great project and you can use it in many ways. These are very pretty earrings, and I think you have liked this video. Thank you so much for joining me here, and yes, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because that way you will get regular notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.